Pacvac corded machines are assembled with the plastic cord restraint attached. To fit a replacement, follow these steps. Take the end of the extension lead and create a loop. Push the lead through the gap at the base of the cord restraint and place over the hook. Pull down to lock into place. Push the short lead through the carabiner clasp, and then push it onto the back of the harness, securing it to the machine. Plug the short lead into the extension lead. Connect the plug to the harness by pushing it into the 2 slots and secure with the hook and loop. Pull down on the cord to make sure it's locked in. To fit the reusable and disposable dust bags to the machine, follow these steps. Unclip the latches and remove the lid. Place the reusable SMS dust bag into position. If using a disposable sealed SMS dust bag for optimal filtration levels, open the flap. Push the dust bag securely over the inlet on the lid. Replace the lid. Position to the right or left, depending on your preference. And secure into place by locking the clips down. To clean or replace the filter, hold and turn anti-clockwise to unlock and lift to remove. To reinsert, place the filter onto the base and twist clockwise to secure. The machine arrives with the harness attached, but if you want to clean or replace it, simply follow these steps. To detach the straps from the top and bottom of the harness, push the straps through all 4 buckles until it is released. To disconnect the padded section from the harness, the back of the harness has metal connectors on both sides. These simply turn to the sides and slot through the slit in the harness to remove. Repeat process for all 3 on both sides. The harness should now be removed.